Hello, my name is Troy Perkins, and this is my presentation for IBIZ 580 International Business Management. In an article for Forbes, Tim Dowd talks about the future of work, global teams, and how leaders need to adapt to the changing global environment. Due to the COVID-19 pandemic, the concept of the workplace and the way work is being done has transformed rapidly. Companies have found it necessary to accelerate digitization of their operations to help their firms run more effectively, both for the ease of their organization and for their customers. To do this, companies have embraced technology and remote work models like never before. According to the management consulting group Gartner, by the end of 2022, 31% of all workers worldwide will be fully remote or hybrid. The U.S. is leading the way, with remote workers accounting for 53% of the U.S. workforce. This new, highly interconnected world of business will, of course, bring up a few challenges for leaders. But if leaders can figure out how to navigate these complex seas, the rewards will open up more opportunity for their firms, bringing in tides of workers that offer diverse backgrounds and knowledge that can be used along with their talents to help increase productivity, innovation, and growth. Gone are the days where leaders were bound by the constraints of geographic barriers to employ teams that offer a wide range of expertise and knowledge that can only be accessed by a talent that is local to the respective regions. By offering in-depth knowledge of the most promising markets locally, and by accessing a larger pool of talent, leaders are realizing the benefit of international diversity and discovering that they can bring together professionals with distinctive backgrounds and perspectives to help strengthen their teams. However, with working on a global scale, leaders have to make sure that the teams they build can stay connected to the resources they need while still being able to get the job done. Leaders must move from a command and control style towards a leadership style that empowers autonomy. One way to do so is through embracing asynchronous communication, allowing employees to work when and where they choose. This type of autonomy is said to be an indispensable component of workplace motivation and a key driver of job performance and well-being. However, by shrinking direct control and shifting to a more autonomous model, companies must be aware of how they are shrinking their networks, which may endanger innovation. That's why companies should assess their technologies to ensure that they are driving innovation to optimize inter-team productivity and collaboration. In the absence of a physical office, companies should embrace solutions that allow workers to move freely between spaces and facilitate engagement that mimics in-person contact as a team. Gone are the days of taking a walk over to your coworker's desk, so leaders should work to facilitate more communication and interaction virtually, which will benefit workers both socially and professionally. Leaders can attempt to fill the gaps by prioritizing virtual happy hours or one-on-one chats and embracing a positive company culture that spans geographic divisions. With the nature of work changing, the benefits of remote global workforce are immense. In expanding employment strategies to hire across borders, companies can attract and retain the most experienced and in-demand talent, regardless of where they live. Leaders continue to rethink their remote work strategies. It is essential that they enable employees with the right tools and technologies to be effective, autonomous, and connected from anywhere in the world. Thank you.